There we go, guys. This is a good propane heater that you can use inside your house. Will heat as much as 20,000 BTUs. That's pretty good, I think. I think that would definitely heat my whole house, no problem, with the quickness, honestly. It's a Blue Flame propane heater. It's only $189.99, guys. That's pretty damn good. It's a good price right there. Get yours today on Amazon. This Mr. Heater, propane heater. Alright, link in the description. I appreciate you guys. Link in the description if you want to get this bad boy. Smash the like, subscribe, and peace.